every day. Ever wondered how your favorite photos are stored and understood by your computer? What if we told you that your cherished memories are nothing more than an array of numbers for your device? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into the fascinating world of digital images. At their core, digital images are simply arrays of numbers or pixels, with each pixel representing a different color. These pixels are typically integers, ranging from 0 to 255, a format known as an unsigned byte. This range corresponds to the intensity of colors, with 0 being the darkest possible shade and 255 being the lightest. But also, pixels are not solitary entities, they have neighbors. There are two types of pixel neighbors, 4 neighbors and 8 neighbors. In a 4 neighbor setup, a pixel is connected to the ones above, below, and on its sides. In an 8 neighbor setup, a pixel is also connected to the ones diagonally adjacent to it. Now let's talk about image paths. An image path is a sequence of pixel indices such that each pixel is a neighbor of the next pixel in the sequence. These paths can be 4 connected or 8 connected, mirroring the neighbor setups we just discussed. Digital images are not just static arrays of numbers. They are dynamic entities that can be manipulated and processed at various levels. At the point level, the output is based only on a single point, like when you adjust the brightness or contrast of an image. And at the local level, the output is based on a neighborhood of pixels, like when you apply a filter to smooth out or detect edges in an image. At the global level, the output is based on the whole image, like when you perform a Fourier transform or adjust the histogram of an image. Finally, at the object level, the output is based on pixels that belong to an object in the image, like when you are trying to isolate a particular subject in the photograph. To summarize, digital images are arrays of numbers or pixels, each representing a color. These pixels have neighbors and can be connected in paths, and these images can be processed at different levels, from a single pixel to the entire image, depending on the desired output. So next time you snap a photo, remember the fascinating world of numbers and connections that lies behind every digital image.